Hi grade fives, welcome to this week. I hope that you had a really good weekend and that we'll be able to have some good math this week. Let's get straight into it. We're at IXL and we're still finishing off our time unit. We'll be finishing that off tomorrow. The test go looking on Wednesday. So we looked at time zones on Friday. And we're going to be starting with schedules and timelines. So let's go on to that. That is U8 today. So we're going to be doing schedules for both our sessions, and we're going to be working with 12-hour times and 24-hour times. So this first one's about 12-hour times. Let's look at it together. Look at Felix's timeline. Select the event that happened first. All right, so if it happens first, let's look at the time at the bottom. These are years, 2009, 2010, 2011, all the way up to 2019. He moved to Chicago last because that was the most recent one. So if we look all the way to the beginning in time of this timeline, in just after 2010, he got his first apartment. So we're selecting that one because that one happened first. Let's look at this one. Look at this timeline. Which event happened earlier? Shaun White won a gold medal in snowboarding. Let's look for that one. Shaun White is right at the end. Nadia Comaneci won a gold medal in gymnastics. That's all the way the first one. So which one happened earlier? Nadia Comaneci won a gold medal in gymnastics. And one more together. Look at Hannah's timeline. Select the event that happens last, 4 a.m. all the way up to almost 8 p.m. Attends a neighborhood meeting. That's the last event that happened on that timeline. All right, so let's go to U9 where we can look at some schedules also. Here we go for a 24-hour time. And let's have a look at that. There we go. Look at the following schedule. So the subway train schedule, here's the location, and there is the time. It asks, at which stop does the train arrive at 9:05? So we look in the times for 9:05, there's 9:55, 9:05. So Woodland Avenue, that's when the train arrives at 9:05 at Woodland Avenue. So we select that one. Let's look at the next one. Look at the following schedule. We have the class schedule, the subject, when it begins and when it ends. So it asks which class ends at 14:40. So we're looking at the ends column. Let's go down the ends column until we find 14:40. It's this one right at the end of the day. We look across, it's saying which class is it. We look across and that is Spanish class. And let's try one more together. Look at the following schedule. This is the aquarium schedule, the event, when it begins and when it ends. When does the shark lecture begin? So now we're looking for the actual event. Let's look for the shark lecture on the left. Oh, it's right at the end. We're asking the question, when does the shark lecture begin? So moving across the shark lecture to the begin column, it begins at 17:30. And there we go. I hope that you have fun with this section, and we will chat soon. Bye for now.